Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. As promised, I have the paper showcase for you. So this is just the paper basics. I've got all the pattern paper to one side. So I'm going to show you it all. This is just from the August to December mini catalogue. So this is my craft paper. Yeah, got a little bit bent in my office. It was resting over something and then, yeah. So it'll be fine. It'll straighten out with some glue. So yeah, just a regular craft paper with those wonderful detailed bits in. Craft paper has to have bits in it, doesn't it? So it's just fibrous, and it's 6x6 sheets, loads of it. Right, next up, silver foil speciality pack, and this isn't just one sheet or one colour, it's actually three. So we've got a very silver one there, we've got a matte, it's almost lilac in my light, and then a darker one, and I think it's on the darker one you can see the texture, so you can see those stripes. It does repeat on this one, not as obvious, and it repeats again on the very shiny one, but it's the darkest one that you can see it all, and there is a little bit of a feel to it, but yeah, fabulous. That's that one. I haven't got all of them, just because I've bought some in the past, and some of them we have in the annual catalogue or have carried over. That's the brushed metallic, which I've used for a while. The red and green foil. We do have snowy white velvet sheets. I don't remember if these are a returning favourite or not, but oh, so my husband's downstairs and he's emptying the dishwasher. Ooh, these are the velvety sheets. You can hear the texture. I mean, obviously you're not going to be able to see it. There is barely anything to see, but it's very, very textured, and it's a lovely, lovely feel. So that's the snowy white. The red velvet I didn't get. I did get some of the gold shimmer ribbon. A shimmer ribbon? Shimmer vellum. And actually you can probably see the shimmer. No, let me take off the backing. And I don't know if you're seeing that, it's speckled. Where might you see it? There we go. You can see the speckles there. And it's vellum. And it's lovely. So we get a couple of sheets of that, 12 by 12, which is brilliant. Black glitter paper we've had for a while. I've still got mine. Have I got... Oh, no, this is a new one. Where's this one come from? Linen speciality paper. I grabbed it. I don't know where I got it from. Maybe that's an annual... Oh, this is an annual catalogue one. And it is linen. It looks like a piece of cloth, but it's paper on the back. And then we've got... What are these? It's called Cork. Seriously, he's unloading the dishwasher as fast as he possibly can. At least I don't have to do it. And yes, some cork. So there's a couple of sheets of that. So it's almost on craft paper rather than craft card. And cork. I'm not sure what I'll do with that, but I'll do something. And then finally, I got the Jolly Felt. So I'm actually not going to take this out of the packet because we had felt, I want to say last year. I think it was last year and I didn't use it, but I bought this because it's part of the bundle. So there's white, yellow, green and red, and I'm saying that's Old Olive. Bumblebee, Cherry Cobbler, Old Olive and white. You see, it gives you the colours. I didn't use it last year, so I'm not going to take it out of the packet. I am, however, going to break into all of the designer series papers. So first up, Gingerbread and Peppermint. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Because I've used the Memories and More cards and envelopes. Look at that. How cute are those? Slightly burnt. Slightly burnt Christmas biscuits, but they're brilliant. This is just going to be so popular. I know it is. We don't get the red and white peppermints here in the UK at Christmas time. I have to buy them in from overseas. Sometimes, look at them. Sometimes friends in the USA send them over to me. Other times I will go and spend a fortune on buying them from an English importer who gets them in, and I don't remember the first year I had them, quite a few years ago. So if anybody wants to do donations of red and white peppermints, what are they called? Star Brights, I think. Well, that is a brand. But yeah, if anybody wants to make any donations, my address is in the description bar. But yeah, we love them as a family. Don't like the crumbles. I bought those last year, and you know what? In July, there's still some hanging around. They just look pretty in the jar. But gingerbread and peppermint. I love it. And you know, gingerbread, Lebkuchen, it's pronounced. Traditional German gingerbread. Always get that, because one of the gorgeous girls on my team sends me a box full of it. Right, this one is called Painted Christmas. That's very nice, and that's hand painted if I'm right. Isn't it beautiful? Just so lovely. Look at those pine cones. I have pine cones that live down on the floor next to my television all year round, and they have teeny tiny little fairy lights in them. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, I don't know what that is, but I love it. Yeah, and they live there all year round with little teeny tiny fairy lights, the micro fairy lights, and they have done it for donkey's years, and they just moved from our old house to this house. Right, this one is Whimsy and Wonder, which you can see I've made a start on. It's a speciality paper. And can you see the shiny bits here? They are iridescent. It's all about the iridescence this year, isn't it? Love that. And then more neutral on the back. And the flashing bright snowflakes. And that's iridescent in there as well. With the, oh, I love the stripes too on that side. And then we've got a couple of sheets. See, it's all iridescent, colour changing. Just loving the pink. And this one, no, this is this, yes, this is iridescent, but it's sort of a bluey iridescent rather than the pink, which was on the other. And that's the sheet I showed you before. So this is sort of a pink and blue iridescence. And then look at this. Whoa! Happy Sam, look at that rainbow. I love it. I love it. I'm going to hoard that and probably not use it for anything and then regret it. And then finally, look at the baubles. Oh, just gorgeous. I may take that back. This may be the star of the show. All of those are gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Right, next one. The next one is called Sweet Stockings. I can text my husband and tell him I'm filming. I am. Oh, that's his work phone. So he's telling the cat to be quiet now. Right, and the next one is Sweet Stockings. So this one was, yeah, I received this for free, so I've not looked at it yet. But look at the Labrador and the kitty cats and the mouse. That's so cute. So, oh, and here's my cat. Were you getting told off? So the mouse is giving a present to the cat, and inside the box, is a cat for the dog. No, that's wrong. It's just cute. Look at the dog with... Actually, that's probably a golden retriever, isn't it? Rather than a... Did I say Dalmatian? Labrador? It's golden retriever. Lovely red on the back. Look at the stockings with the dogs and the cats inside. And the mice. Well, there's a mouse. I'm going to say that's a gerbil. Oh, look, there's a corgi. Of course there is. Oh, the grumpy cat. Look at the face on that cat. Yeah, I think mine would be the same if I put reindeer antlers on them. That's lovely, isn't it? And all those beautiful stockings. Oh, I like the stars. Ooh, very nice. Oh God. That's a little fish bowl there with a parcel and a Christmas tree. Too cute. Too cute. And then just Christmas fairy lights. Oh, that's just lovely. Oh, what a lovely set. Okay. The next one is Peaceful Place Speciality Paper. Ooh. Ooh. Can you see that soft shine? These stars are soft shine. So they're not super shiny, they're just sort of soft. Yeah, soft shine, that's what I'm calling it anyway. Lovely. Black and white Christmas. Slightly brighter, but you can see it's in 4 quarters, so you could cut those out. Plain on the back. Ooh. Okay, maybe this one could be the star of the show. I don't know. It's a good job I didn't have to choose, because I can have them all. Love, love, love. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Just simple, aren't they? Just very simple. Oh, that's nice. That's lovely on the back. And then last two are this one with just plain on the back. So this is a little bit brighter on the shine. So it's kind of a mixture of shiny and soft shine. Love that very much. That's called Peaceful Place. Next one is Blackberry Beauty. I've already broken into this one. So this is a speciality as well. And it's got this beautiful gold detail, which is shining everywhere. So I've made a card with those. This is the one with the ephemera that I showed the other day that had the owl and then all of those beautiful labels. And that beautiful Blackberry Bliss. And there's your birds. They look like they could be partridges. They're not pheasants, the tails aren't long enough, I don't think. That's the sheet I showed you before. Here are the stunning owls. Look at that. Who'd have thought? Blackberry coloured owl. Why not? Little toadstools in there as well. All the details just magnificent. Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful background papers too, with that gold. I can see that I'm going to be making more cards than anything this year, just so I can show everything off. And I don't know if you can see, the gold is just flecked on the tops here. There you go, you can see that. Such a pretty set. Right, and the next one is Harvest Moon. I don't have the cute Halloween. So I've got the Harvest Moon. Actually, this is the last one I'm going to show. I do have Heartwarming Hugs. That was from last year. That's carried over 12 months. But this is the last new one, which is Harvest Meadow. So just nice, gentle, autumnal papers. So far, nothing too big and fancy. I love the script on this. It probably says something. I've no idea what that would be. I don't know. That does say something. I just don't know what. I'll ask somebody. But yeah, just nice, neutral, soft colours, not too in your face. And just simple. And like I say, also Heartwarming Hugs and then the cute Halloween as well. So those are our papers. Oh, I love them. I'm so excited. I'm such a big kid as far as stuff like this is concerned. Paper makes me happy. Excuse me, I was a paper girl before I joined Stampin' Up. I only ever did anything with paper and punches, which leads me neatly into the next video. I'm going to be showcasing something else for you, and it might involve punches. Anyway, papers, you know when you can get them, the 3rd of August. So exciting. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.